why is it important कि आप जल्दी start करो? Because initially the hair follicle का size कम हो जाता है, length कम हो जाता है, but बीज अभी भी है. That means मैं फसल उगा सकता हूँ. Later, once this process only becomes irreversible, when the hair follicle is entirely damaged, वहाँ का stem cell भी चला गया, तो अभी जब बीज ही नहीं है तो मैं क्या फसल उगाऊंगा? And in that case, the only option that we're left with is a hair transplant. So recently I came across Traya, where they have an amazing team of dermatologists, Ayurvedic doctors and nutritionists. So they'll help diagnose your condition कि boss तुम्हें hair fall जो है, is it male pattern hair loss or not? And if it is male pattern hair loss or androgenetic alopecia, उसका stage क्या है? They'll give you a customized treatment plan, and they will also help give you a nutrition plan. So it will be like a very holistic way of tackling your hair fall. And one thing that I really like about them is that they've delivered this result to about 150,000 patients. So it's pretty cool. Check it out.
Step 1. Buy a doctor prescribed plan. Step 2. Get a free hair coach and diet plan. Step 3. See results in 5 to 7 months. Start your hair growth journey now.